So you've just had a baby, your body's in shock, there's sometimes bleeding, you're exhausted, you're sore, and your joints feel like they've aged 10 years. Your digestion's off, your milk supply's slow, and your body just doesn't feel like it's yours anymore. And then, within our own culture, come along experienced Wonder Women. Now this could be your mother, it could be your mother-in-law, it could be your nani, it could be your daddy. They enter and they'll start to prepare a type of superfood, and they will convince you that you must take it and it will help with healing. Now this superfood is called Panjiri, but what is Panjiri? Does it actually work, or is it just a cultural comfort blanket? Stay with me, because this could be the smartest postpartum recovery tool you may have not heard about. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Dr. Azad. I'm a medical doctor and a pharmacist based here in the UK. Panjiri isn't just a snack, it's a functional restorative food used across South Asia for generations after childbirth. It combines whole flowers mixed with ghee, crushed nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and healing herbs like ajwain, fennel seeds, ginger, and methi. Looking at it, there's actually science behind it. Let's start with number one. Your body needs rebuilding. You've lost blood, you've lost nutrients, and you've lost your muscle tone. With Panjiri, that will provide protein, it'll provide iron, B vitamins, and healthy fats to repair tissue and restore energy. Number two, digestion is very weak after postpartum. It's because your body enters a cold, depleted state. And this is where ajwain and ginger stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce gas, bloating, and constipation, which almost every new mum suffers with. So number three, it supports milk production. Fennel, fenugreek, and coconut are natural galactagogues. They gently stimulate a hormone called prolactin, and now that's the hormone behind breast milk, and there's lots of clinical evidence to back that. Number four, it reduces inflammation and joint pain. Ghee, ginger, nuts provide anti-inflammatory compounds and omega fatty acids, which help reduce soreness and joint recovery. And here's the best part, it's easy to make. I may have the recipe wrong, I do apologize to all the mums out there, all the nannies, all the daddies. Recipes differ online. This is just a simple recipe of how to make it. There's lots of different variants out there, so if I've got it wrong, I apologize in advance. So you start by dry roasting 1 cup of whole wheat or millet flour in 4 tablespoons of ghee. Once golden, add half a cup of crushed almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds, and coconut. Stir in a 1/4 cup of chopped dates and raisins, and you can add 1 teaspoon of each dry ginger, fennel seeds, and a pinch of ajwain. So you roast this gently and store it in an airtight jar. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, not too much, but just enough to nourish without overwhelming digestion. Now, a few things to know. If you have insulin resistance, go easy on the dried fruit, and if you're not breastfeeding or recovering, just take smaller amounts. It's potent, it's calorie dense, and it's very powerful. And this isn't just for postpartum. It can also be used for ladies going through menopause, or for patients recovering from illness, or for the elderly needing, strength and warmth, especially in the winter. Overall, Panjiri isn't a relic from the past. It's one of the best examples of ancient medicine meeting modern physiology. And science also confirms that our mums, our daddies, our nannies, they are right, so you've got to listen. Thanks for watching and hitting like. Don't forget to follow for more health content, and the full in-depth video of this will be on my YouTube channel. Stay hydrated, always say alhamdulillah, look after yourself, look after your parents, and get some proper rest. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.